So here's the LCD writing tablet. It comes with a delete button, and here's the pen right here. You can easily take it out, and to put it in, you put it in right there and you leave it like that, so it's not easy to lose. So you just take it out. You can write different things on it. You could draw a picture. You can just draw shapes and little squiggly lines, something like that. And just to delete it, you can easily just click the delete button and it's all gone. You can see how different the colors are. Here is blue, and once you get over here it gets like orange in this area, and you can see it changes as you go down. Again, here's orange and green and blue. It's really interesting. So this is actually very light. It's easy to take with you. You can see it's very thin as well, so it's easy to just put in your purse or your backpack and just take it so you can have fun with it.